Okay, so the first step I'm going to do is prime my eyes, and I'm going to use Urban Decay's Primer Potion to do that, and I'm just going to put it all over my eyelid, and I'm going to blend it out. This is going to help prevent any creasing and just act as a base. After this, you can also put some translucent powder over to set it, and it helps the shadow blend a little bit easier. And I'm going to take this is a newer one from Sigma. It's one of my favorites, actually. So I'm going to take the color Apricot as a transition shade, and I'm just going to use a Sigma E38 blending brush. This is also one of my favorite blending brushes. I use it every single eyeshadow tutorial, but I'm just going to basically put that just a little bit of my above my crease, blending that out. And then the next color I'm going to take is Summer Song, and I'm going to put that further into my crease. I'm just putting that into my crease, but I'm trying not to go too high because I don't want to get rid of that color that I just applied. So I'm kind of applying it where I want to, and then I'll go up and make sure the top edges are blended out smoothly into that transition shade that I did before. And the brush that I'm using, I think, is a Sigma E25, 25 or 35, but I'm pretty sure, I'm almost positive it's 25. And then the next color I'm going to take is this pretty shimmery gold color, and I'm just going to apply that to my lid. And I don't want any type of cut crease. I'm just basically applying it the majority on my lid, and then I'm going to blend the edges just so it kind of fans out. And the gel liner that I'm going to be using is from Inglot. It's the number 77 gel liner, which is basically just their black. I love this gel eyeliner. So what I'm basically going to be doing is just adding a line on top like I normally would my eyeliner, but then I'm going to stop on the outer end. I'm going to fill in that line, but at the outer end, I'm not going to really put any gel liner, just whatever's left on my brush. I'm going to kind of do it like if I was doing a wing, just to map out where I want to put the shadow, because it's just going to be shadow at the end. But I'm just kind of giving myself like a guideline right here. And then I'm going to take the brown from that palette, and I'm going to kind of smoke out the outer half of that eyeliner. I'm just basically smoking out, so it's going to kind of act like a transition to the black that I'm going to put on top next. And I actually forgot to show it, but I just used a regular matte black eyeshadow and an angled brush, and I'm just taking that and kind of blending it into that transition shade I used and into the eyeliner, and then feathering it out just like I would a regular gel liner, a wing, but I'm just doing it with shadow. So I'm kind of just taking the brush and letting it do its thing, just doing it like a flick outward. And the lashes that I'm using are in the style Claire, and I will leave their Instagram name right here on the screen, because if you go to their Instagram right now, if you follow them and leave a comment under my eye picture of the style of lash that you like from their website, you will be entered into a giveaway. They are giving away lashes, so I will have a link in the description box with their Instagram account, so you could go directly there. And I just applied those, and I kind of do attach them to the inside first, and then when I get to the outer corner, I kind of lift it a little bit higher than I normally would for this type of smoked out eyeliner look, just so it gives the eye like a lifted type of look at the end. And then the lower lash line is pretty simple. I just took the dark brown from that palette and connected it to that eyeliner and put it on the outer corner of my eye. And this small detailing brush is from Sigma. I don't know the number, but it's a super small pencil brush, so I'm just connecting it to that eyeliner at the end, and in the inner corner I'm going to take this color right here from the same Sigma palette, and I'm just putting that in the inner corner of my lower lash line and then blending it out. And then for eyeliner, I took a Makeup Forever Aqua XL pencil. I don't know the number of it right now, but again, I will have that linked in the description box below as well. If you guys liked these short eyeshadow videos, let me know in the comments below, and thanks for watching.